Bad breath is caused by bacteria. Apple cider vinegar can help to restore fresh breath. It makes sense to think that swishing around some apple cider vinegar can kill those microorganisms. And in theory, that's the truth. However, experts know that the vinegar probably isn't as effective as products specifically designed for fresh breath. Treat it more like a nice and convenient side effect. In addition, apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. As we know, it can erode the enamel on your teeth. Claims that apple cider vinegar can whiten your teeth are bogus. To prevent this, consider drinking with a straw. And wait at least half an hour before brushing your teeth afterward. This will protect your teeth while still giving you the benefits.
You can be protected against cancer. Experts suggest apple cider vinegar has beneficial systemic effects, with historical records, but still need to be rediscovered by modern science. In a 2004 study, vinegar was found to have an anti-tumor effect. The researchers note that rice vinegar had a larger effect than wine and apple vinegars. The fermentation process of ACV formed a neutral alpha-glycan content. This was able to decrease cancerous tumors in mice. Again, it might have a different effect on actual humans. But it's still a good start. So apple cider vinegar seems to be able to slow or stop cancer growth. But it's definitely not the magic cure for something as dangerous as cancer.
You can lose some weight. There is evidence that apple cider vinegar can make you feel fuller. It increases satiety, which means you might eat less. In one study, white bread was served with 3 levels of vinegar. The higher the level of acetic acid in the vinegar, the more full the participants felt. They also had lower blood glucose and insulin levels. This can help you eat 200 to 275 fewer calories that day. The bottom line is, apple cider vinegar can definitely help you. There's no harm in sipping some before each meal if you stay within limits. But it won't work any magic by itself.
You will get a nutritional boost. People talk about how apple cider vinegar can detox your body. They cite how potassium can break up mucus. The acetic acid should be able to bind to toxins and take them out too. Which may all be true. People have experienced good results. Apple vinegar has been found to clear sinuses and heal sore throats too.